With the morning sun kissing the sky, the magical garden springs to life. Our story begins with the leader of the garden, Sunny Sunflower, spreading cheer as she greets all her floral and animal friends. Among them are Buzzy Bee, the diligent worker who believes in sharing, and Rosy Rabbit, a playful soul. Today they discover a messy patch in their otherwise perfect garden, and this presents the lesson of the day: teamwork and orderliness. As the wise owl observes from his perch, heeding Sunny's advice and with Buzzy's ceaseless energy, all animals join hands, or paws, wings, and antennas, transforming the patch into a blooming paradise. But nature has her trials as well, and as the thunderous clouds roll in, bringing lashing rain with them, the garden friends band together again, this time learning how to stay safe and warm in the shared shelter of the magical garden. When the storm subsides, leaving the garden fresh and vibrant, everyone rejoices. The butterfly friends burst